Hmm.
Wala ka bang question sa bagong transfer natin? Are you still a virgin? Keeper! Be serious! Be serious! Is that question? Sir, not a question.
The teacher is asking for appropriate questions. Baka ko siguro yung IQ.
You want another question? Okay. Ilan ka na sa section namin?
Ikaw,
Pero
kaya
yung
mo
game
wala.
na to.
Bakit ikaw muna?
Because I'm the one who's gonna make the disappear from this world.
Ay, you
Patay.
Yes, I can.
Wait. You two stop.
At,
You have to stop.
Hello.
Keeper, sit down. Miss Mariano, please use your seat so we can proceed.
Parang wala nakikinig.
Hi, Ate Jazz.
He divided these into pairs which he placed in different parts of the world. And then he said to them, you must speak. You need to think
Nangangaputi.
people.
Episode.
Ilang tao na.
Quiet. The language in each couple.
Ayaw makasakit.
The following commanded each man and woman to marry, which they did. Morning, Mr. Santos. Morning.
Buti ginaganahan mo teacher ng turo diyan.
Good morning, guys.
Sino yun?
Nag-direct ka. Ito nini-entertain ng iyong mga viewers.
Wala naman sa dumi sa akin. Hello, Martin.
Ay, ba to? Kadiri naman. Sino ba yung bato sa akin na?
Guys, what is happening?
Kasi sino yung nagbabato sa akin eh?
Okay, class, dismiss. See you tomorrow.
Susunod na na. HIV.
Bakit kaya kayo naman?
Hi, guys. Stewards, welcome back.
Perfect school na sana kung hindi lang kayo sa mga ulo.
Okay, engineer school tayo. Anong gano'n? Anong cafe? Engineer school.
Balita ako, nakaroon ko yung
Ibang
transfer
buhay.
eh.
Ay, engineer na pala.
She's pretty, but a little, you know, what do you mean? Ito kasi yun. So, napunta siya sa classroom namin. Instead na sa classroom exception. Oh my God. That is so embarrassing. I see it.